So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick, and at first I thought it was just another one of those weird remedies that don't really work. But then I started noticing her skin, it was glowing, like literally radiant. And her nails, which used to be brittle and break all the time, were suddenly strong and healthy looking. I was intrigued, so I asked her what her secret was, and she told me it was all about the gelatin trick. Apparently, the gelatin helps to nourish your skin and nails from the inside out, giving you that beautiful glow and strength you've always wanted. As I dug deeper into the gelatin trick, I realized it's not just about skin and nails, it's about overall wellness. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you can wake up with a clearer complexion and stronger nails, which is just amazing. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, I've got a link to a simple recipe in the description below. And be sure to check out the pinned comment for some tips on how to get the most out of it. Head on over to the description to learn more about the gelatin trick and start nourishing your skin and nails today.